So, you've been thinking of buying your very first condo property? Makinig dito sa video na to. I'm sure makakatulong to. I'll be giving you 5 exact steps on buying your very first condo property. So, let's go. First step, of course, knowing your budget. Know your budget. Dapat alam natin magkano ang kaya nating i-down payment monthly. What you can do is compute or take a look at your finances, say your sweldo. If you can dispose 40% out of your monthly salary, okay ka doon. Okay? That's safe. Okay. Dapat walang guessing game dito. You really have to compute what you can afford. Para sa akin, critical ito. Marami nang nagkamali dito. Ended up losing their money, ended up losing the property that they've dreamt of. Pangalawa, choosing the right property. Okay? Right property could mean, is it the right location for you? Ito ba malapit sa office natin? Malapit sa place of worship? Malapit sa mall na favorite natin? Malapit ba sa office ni Mrs. o ni Mr.? Or even malapit ba to sa educational institution ng anak natin kung meron? Okay? Another question is, kailangan ba natin 1-bedroom unit or 2-bedroom unit or 3-bedroom unit? Kung tatlo kayo sa pamilya, you might want to go for a 2-bedroom unit or at least 1-bedroom unit. So you really have to sit down and figure out what is the best property for you. People like myself, a licensed broker, can help you figure it out actually if you like to. Pangatlo, understanding the payment terms. Payment terms basically parang tatlo lang yan. Cash, bank financing, or in-house. Although most of the time, the in-house medyo mahirap siya kasi mas mataas ang interest. So, you probably will take a look at those first two. Anyway, payment terms can be, or for the payment terms ng mga developers, especially right now, it's a buyer's market, meaning mas flexible ang payment terms offering ng mga developer. Like with us, with Ayala, we have offerings na up to 60 months or sometimes 72 months depending on the project. Pagka matagal pa naman na ma-turn over, we are offering that 60 months of paying your down payment. Zero interest ito, so you can take advantage of that. So make sure that you ask your agent or your broker to find out, baka naman po pwede mong bayaran to ng mas matagal. That way hindi tayo hirap sa pagbabayad ng monthly down payment natin. Pang-apat, pagka okay na kayo dun sa steps 1, 2, and 3, safe na, okay, at nakapili na ng unit, reserve it immediately. Okay, madaming situations na ganito. Nakapili, nagustuhan yung unit, gusto ko ng view, and pinalipas ang 1 linggo. Pagkatapos ng 1 linggo, nawala yung unit. Sayang, nawala yung chance to get the best unit na nagustuhan mo. Another thing na nangyari minsan ay nagkakaroon ng price increase. Say na kalimutan kang sabihan ng agent or ng broker mo na magpo-price increase na pala, naabutan ka ng price increase. If that happens, no going back. Mamimiss mo na yung price increase na yon or your old price. That's typically around 5 to 8% to 10%. Sayang naman. Malaki na sana natipid natin. So reserve your unit as soon as possible once you're decided. Panglima, prepare your documents. Documents for developers, madali lang naman yan. You know, of course, we have the forms that will let you sign with all your information. And yung mga magagaling sa inyo, syempre, as the buyer, will be the proof of income, bank statement, employment certificate, proof of mailing, syempre yung mga IDs natin, and you know, other things that will be needed depending on your profile or on your situation. So make sure that you ask again your broker regarding that. Okay, and take note also that you must submit everything on time. In fact, it must be early because sometimes you can be disqualified by the developer if you did not pay on time, and if you did not submit your requirements on time, kasi merong mga cut-off yan. It should not go over 30 days for the most part. Sometimes it's even earlier depende sa hinahabol natin na discount. So yeah, these are the 5 steps, and I've helped a lot of clients until now, and these are the things that work, so I'm sharing it with you. So buying your very first property or your very first condo isn't actually complicated if you think about it. You just need proper guidance from a professional like myself. So if you are serious about buying your very first property investment today or this year, comment invest in the comment section, and let's keep in touch. I'll be more than happy to help you.